Hey guys, welcome back to Full Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the brightness issue for Windows 10. So this problem usually occurs when you have connected your Windows 10 laptop to a monitor using an HDMI cable. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem right now. So just go head on to the Start menu, right click it, go on Device Manager, and now you can see all your laptop's components. So I'll just make it a bit bigger. So just head on and just scroll through, and you will be able to see this display adapter. And right now on my laptop I have Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 that's currently being used for the monitor. That's the GPU. So what I'm going to do is right click this and update the driver. And I hope you have installed this GeForce Experience, installed your drivers, like the latest drivers. You can head on to Chrome and any browser and just search for update drivers and your driver's name. So I'm just gonna click this, and I have already installed and updated my drivers. So I'm just gonna close, and for you it will probably restart the laptop and restart your screen. So and just try the increasing the brightness. If your brightness still does not work, then what you're supposed to do is right click this and then click disable device. And what happens when you disable it is it will restart your PC. And okay, so now I'm gonna disable the device, and yes, so the monitor shuts down. And this is what happens. And after that you just right click it again and enable the device, and this is how it will look like. And now hopefully it'll 100% work. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video if anyone else has the problem. And yes, thank you for watching. Peace out.